Hello, everyone. My name is Josh Rosenthal, and this is EDOL 707, Assignment 1.3, Lead from the Heart. I'm here to talk about leading from the heart, how we're going to lead from the heart within my organization. First of all, I'd like to potentially present some arguments against leading from the heart. In my business, I work with men in a cutthroat business of baseball, and that's oftentimes what is said is that we work in the business of baseball. Some may argue that it's too tough to lead from the heart in the business of baseball because we're at war and we don't have time to sugarcoat our ideas or our needs. The players have very short careers and they need us to speak directly to them. We work predominantly with grown men who need straight shooting and direct communication. We don't have time for letting our heart get in the way. Oftentimes, coaches, front office, and staff discourage getting too close to a player. They may have to release, demote throughout the year. It's easier to keep people at a distance, not let your feelings get in the way, or allow your heart to cloud your judgment or ability to evaluate players. Those are all decent arguments, but in reality, there's counter arguments that can be presented as well. Counter arguments may be that we don't have time not to speak from the heart. The players will listen to us and buy into our ideas if they know for certain that we are passionate about them, their careers, and their success. Only when we truly open up to our players and get to know them and how they think and how they feel can we truly make transformational changes with them and help them to achieve their true potential. When we're at war, we must be willing to do whatever it takes for our brothers in arms. And that can only happen when we lead from the heart. If we want our players to be leaders, we need to show them how to lead. If we want their players to have their players follow their lead, they need to know how to lead from the heart. And only when we truly understand our players and their heart can we properly evaluate and understand their true potential. So, what am I doing in my TCP in order to lead from the heart? Well, I'll tell you. First of all, my TCP is introducing emotional intelligence skills into our English language learning daily courses. That's easier said than done, and the way that I'm going to get true buy-in from my staff is, first and foremost, my first action will be taking extra time to hear my colleagues. I'll hold monthly meetings throughout the season to ensure their voices, ideas are being heard, and suggestions from my staff are being listened to and implemented. When they know that I truly care about them, that I'm listening to them, that I'm learning from them, that I'm instilling and applying their ideas, only then will they have true buy-in. This is a suggestion of one of my staff members that we do have these more meetings. In addition to that, we'll have breakout rooms, which will be created so the teachers can exchange ideas with one another, collaborate, get a better understanding of the work they are doing in other classrooms and at other levels, and truly get to know one another so they can love each other and, again, lead from the heart. Secondly, I'm going to be empowering my staff to implement their ideas. By implementing their ideas, I will be helping them to feel like they know that their ideas are being heard and that their ideas and their passions are being valued. The previously mentioned breakout rooms is an idea and a suggestion by one of our teachers. Online mobile assessments is another suggestion by one of our teachers that will be implemented this year. And I've already asked one of our teachers to show an innovative, time-saving, differentiated learning technique he is doing in his high school classes. He'll be able to show off what he's doing, and he'll be able to understand that I value and respect his abilities and what he's doing. Finally, I'm going to focus on compliments, recognition, and gratitude. I'm going to go out of my way to publicly share accomplishments, both tangible and non-tangible, with our staff. Sharing articles and successes of the students and the staff with the group will go to remind our teachers of the real impact they are making with our students and athletes. All of the actions taken above are lead from the heart techniques, as I will be working to show value in my teachers' ideas, empowering them to build their own confidence while receiving the love and gratitude that I have for them, and showing the love and the gratitude that our hard work pays off for our players and their development. Thanks for listening. 5 minutes is up.